You're watching our auto tailgate power boot video. This one is a 2.0 new model. Install the power boot. Can use the remote. Open 1, 2, 3. And then here got original button here. You can close it here. It's vacuum top. And then also can, when you got key inside the pocket, you can use the kick sensor. And also you can use the kick to, one kick to stop the power boot also can, and then also use the key also can. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you're interested, just call my handphone number 017 607 3797 Jack. Thank you.